Office. Well, this week we are in conversation with a very special guest. Well, you have to tell me now who I'm talking about. He completed his MBA from the Asian Institute of Finance at Manila. In 1990, he left his Citibank job to become a stockbroker. Not yet ringing a bell? Let's find out. Well, if that didn't ring a bell, then the words First Global sure would have. Yes, I'm talking about the Shankar Sharma. Let's go find out more about it. This exact spot is the place where you like to sit and you like to read, and I can now understand 70% of Mumbai as I can see it. Sushil Choksi is joining us right now in the studios with his notice. You have a call on telecom, considering what RCom did today? Is this a daily affair? You hit the gym daily, or it's just over the weekends?
No, it's a daily affair.
Thought of making money for yourself, but then you realized the opportunity that was there, and you thought, why not help other people make money and make that a business?
Yeah, exactly.
Hope people realize the importance of fitness soon. Well, here I am, blowing off some steam and cracking a little bit of sweat. We're going to take a very short break, some more strenuous activities on the other side with Dinesh Thakkar. You're watching Out of Office. I'm in conversation with Dinesh Thakkar at Watson Fitness here in Bandra. Well, we've done a thorough workout, and now let's get down to knowing more about your investment philosophies and what have you been standing by in terms of whether you're looking at long-term investment or you're more bent towards trading since the start. The mentality is such that you make that quick money, in the markets, and many people, they're surprised. They want to be a part of that big spike that you see on a day. Good evening to all our viewers. You're watching Tips for Tomorrow right here on NDTV Profit. Today was the day where there was absolutely no movement. Towards the end of the trading session, we closed absolutely flat, with the Nifty still hovering around that 53.63 mark. Though, talking about particularly what's been happening in the corporate world as well as banks, which are now looking at restructuring a lot of their corporate loans. Most of them this time around, if you look at it, by the end of quarter 1 of financial year FY13, have started looking at their restructured books. So banks like Central Bank, Indian Bank, they've got almost 10 to 13% in terms of their restructured book as a percentage of Capital is in focus as well. It's completed its deal with Nippon. It completed 26%. You're watching Out of Office right here on NDTV Profit. My guest today is a man who's got 17 years of working experience in corporate finance and asset management, after which he decided to take an entrepreneurial plunge and decided to start off his own venture called Envision Capital. Yes, I'm talking about Nilesh Shah. Well, when he's not in office, he likes to shop till he drops, and I'm going to do just that with him. Hello and welcome. You're watching Out of Office right here on NDTV Profit. We all know our today's guest. We've read his reports. We know his views on the market. But now it's time to find out what lies beneath. Gautam Chichodia of UBS Securities is joining. The chairman and the CEO of the Edelweiss Group, who took the plunge in 1995 with just a 3-member team. Today, the company is one of the few fully homegrown diversified financial companies. Started when?
Started about 3 years ago.
It gives you that focus also.
It also keeps.
I mean, you're an avid tennis player. I mean, you work out. You go to the gym also quite regularly. So you're pretty much doing the whole package. You want to train me? Are you in the mood of getting a trainee?
Yeah, actually.
Good evening to all our viewers. You're watching Top Tips right here on NDTV Profit. Today was the day characterized by consolidation, a little bit of a cool-off that we saw in the market post the big rally over the last few trading sessions on the back of the reform push given by the government. The markets cheered it. I mean, we're almost up 4%. Hello and welcome to Out of Office. You're watching it right here on NDTV Profit. For this week's guest, being in the stock markets was not a natural preference. From being a systems programmer in the US to being a member of the BSE Stock Exchange, well, that's a long run from there. Let's find out more. A Nifty strategy, what we need to do and what's the view like. Imtiaz Qureshi is here with, and open interest has been picking up as well.
Yeah, open interest.
The Juhu heli base in Mumbai. Raj is joining us with more details on the same. Raj.
As you rightly said, that ONGC has actually written to Airport Authority of India saying that it would be really scary and very damaging to ONGC's operations, especially their offshore operations, if they actually denotify the Juhu heli base. They have given some numbers, and that will give you a clear idea that how scary